Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with KV Core for investor landing page management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with KV Core for investor landing page management, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the KV Core login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the marketing section on the left sidebar. Select landing pages from the drop-down menu. In the landing page management area, look for the Add New Landing Page option. Click on it to create a new investor landing page. You may be prompted to authenticate your account if this is your first time using the landing page feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity. This may involve verifying an email address or phone number linked to your account. After completing the authentication process, return to the landing page management area. Fill in the necessary details for your new investor landing page. This includes the page title, description, and any calls to action you wish to include. Customize the design elements to align with your brand. Preview the landing page to ensure everything looks as expected. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make the landing page live. You can access the landing page at any time through the My Landing Pages option. Monitor the performance of your landing page via analytics provided in the dashboard. If needed, adjust your settings or content based on user engagement and feedback. Remember to periodically review and update your landing page to keep it current and effective. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate and manage investor landing pages within KV Core. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.